So we learned how important the UX is for HCM applications, and at the same time, you guys claim to make work more human. What is the user supposed to expect in Oracle HCM Cloud in that regards?
We've done a lot over the last 12 months to really improve our user experience. And one of the things I'm most excited about is this new newsfeed UX that we are rolling out this spring. That's going to allow us to actually present a lot of HR information in a very familiar frame for our end users, where they're able to just scroll through the various components and understand.
Facebooking HR?
We're not quite there yet,
okay.
But we are definitely bringing more of that visibility to that process. Along with it, and this is a key point, is the ability for this to actually work consistently between your mobile and your laptop. So if we think about a business user who's on the go, they're not going to be spending most of their time sitting in front of a laptop, but they want to have a consistent user experience. They don't want to do something different on their phone than they do when they are back in the office.
Yeah, consistency is really important for people to get quicker to the information they want and get the HR system out of their way. But that's a traditional UI, right? One of the new UI patterns is conversational UI.
Exactly.
Anything happening there?
We actually are introducing a new digital assistant. We've rolled that out in recruiting first. We're going to extend that in other areas as well. So you have the ability.
Is it he or she?
We haven't actually named it. It's open.
Okay.
We can have that be a named person.
All right.
We actually want our end users to choose. So they might want to brand that according to who they are for their organization.
My personalized digital assistant.
There you go.
Very good.
Key thing there, though, is we want to make sure that the content is being given in the tone of the company, right? So they're able to interact and use that as part of how they reinforce their culture. Okay. So between having a new user experience with the news feed, mobile responsive, and then we haven't even gotten into some of the things we've done around making it smarter as well. So having quick actions being actually driven to you based on what you tend to do or what other people with your similar profile do. So we're getting rid of the one-size-fits-all within user experience as well, giving people much more information so they can choose and edit as opposed to facing that blank screen and having to put detail in.
So thinking also more in business terms of what do you want to do on HR, versus thinking about transactions from a technical perspective in different places, with different ways to find them, with different mechanics, with different fasten the seat build user experiences.
Exactly, and what we really want to see there is have the ability for, whether you're an employee or a manager, we don't really care what level of knowledge you have about HR. What you want to do is get work done. So what makes most sense to you? Does it make most sense to you to interact with a chatbot to get an answer? Does it make most sense to you to start a transaction on your phone and build that transaction based on the things you want to do? Or does it make more sense to sit down and actually dedicate some time, because this is a more complex thing like a performance review or compensation or something like that? We want to give you ways that really align with what you're trying to accomplish.
Oh, so there's a lot of new UX coming to Oracle when?
Coming this spring.
Excellent.